Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the noise now. First, identify the device so you use the right method. Smoke and CO alarms differ from clocks. Press the silence or mute button to pause chirps, and if that fails, remove the 9V or AA battery safely. For hardwired units, shut off the circuit breaker or unplug the unit so it won't keep beeping. Once done, make sure you have replacement batteries and tools ready before proceeding to the next steps. Now you address why the alarm beeped. Replace batteries with fresh cells. Non-rechargeable alkaline often solves low-voltage chirps because weak batteries trigger intermittent alerts. Clean the sensor openings and contacts gently. Dust and insects cause false alarms and repeated beeps. Inspect for corrosion, loose wiring, or a manufacture date older than 10 years. Alarms degrade over time. If the unit is expired, damaged, or under recall, replace it. These fixes stop recurring beeps rather than just silencing them temporarily. Finally, put the unit back together and verify operation. Reinstall the battery and restore mains power, then press the test button to confirm a full alarm sound and indicator lights. Observe the unit for at least 24 hours to ensure the chirp does not return. If it does, record the beep pattern and location because that tells you whether it's low battery, end of life, or wiring. If beeps persist due to backup capacitor discharge, remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.